Place the normal program when switching the program position. Press the far right arrow to access the drink strength. One menu appears. Adjust strength of powder by using the plus or minus buttons on the display. Plus increases and minus decreases the powder by changing the auger speed. Then repeat for all remaining hoppers. To exit programming, press the dash button. Then the display will return to the main programming screen. Place the normal program when switching the normal position. This video will demonstrate how to check dispense flow rate and perform a powder product throw rate on the iMix 14 hop beverage system. Place normal program when switched to program position. On the display screen, advance to Calibration menu and press the up arrow button for yes. Advance to Test Powder 1. Rotate the hopper elbows upwards to keep from spilling powder. Remove the steam collector by pulling it forward and twisting in the clockwise rotation. Pull the mixing chamber out of the whipper chamber. Twist the whipper chamber clockwise and pull it off the whipper chamber receptacle. Place a clean cup to catch the powder product, then rotate hopper elbow downward. With the door open, press a dispense switch to start test. There will be a 10-second countdown on the display. Tare the scales, then weigh the product. On base powders, hot chocolate or cappuccino, the acceptable weight is 77 grams. Flavor powders, French vanilla, caramel flavoring, or steamed milked, the acceptable weight is 15.4 grams. Then advance to Test Water 1 screen using the right arrow button. Place empty container on scale and tare. Then move container under dispense outlet and press any dispense button. Valve will dispense for 20 seconds. A countdown will be displayed on the screen. Ensure the scale is tare, then weigh the product. The acceptable weight should be between 13.3 to 14.7 ounces. If weight is incorrect, adjust dispense valve screw and repeat test. Repeat until 2 consecutive readings are in specification. If the hoppers are not already removed, please remove at this time. Disconnect from power source. Remove the 2 screws that holds the dispense valve's access panel.